Hey guys, this is Anurag Anand here. How are you? This is my first video in which I'm going to cover about the basic of Sparks and how to use it in the real world. So mostly I'll be covering how to create a sample project using IntelliJ and how to create a jar and deploy it on the cluster. Before we proceed, let's have a very brief discussion about the Spark. First of all, Spark is an open source distributed computing framework to process large scale data. So, it is open source, so we can utilize it and modify the source code as per our wish and as per our convenience. And before this, we were having Hadoop as well in the market, but compared to Hadoop, Spark is much more faster. It's like 100 times faster if we are using the in-memory computation. Will not go deep into that. And also, we in Spark we are having streaming, which is not present in Hadoop, which is mostly batch processing. And also, Spark supports various languages like Python, Scala, Java, and R. And the most important feature is that it supports a lots of built-in libraries like Spark SQL, streaming, machine learning, graphics, and various libraries. As you can see on my screen, I'm already having a Spark session open. So that's how an Spark session looks. So let's go to the IntelliJ. Just open it. Go to the file. Before creating any project, make sure Scala is installed on your system. So just verify. Go to the settings part. Check your plugins. Check if Scala is there or not. So for me, it's already installed. For you, if it's not there, just install it. Then go to File, New, Project, select Scala and the build project as SBT, then click on Next. Give the name of the project, let's say sample demo 1. Select the SBT version as per convenient. Always go with stable version. Then click on Next. Okay, this is already there. Let's change it. So guys, this will take a couple of minutes to build the project. What we can do is we can utilize our existing project. So once that build will be complete, the project structure will look similar to this one. Instead of data structure practices, it will be showing your project name. Before writing code, let's go to the build.sbt. This is the part where we'll be providing the library dependencies. So initially it will look somewhat like this. What we'll do, if we are needing the Spark core, SQL streaming, or some database connector, we'll be specifying here. So this will be the name and this will be the versions. So let's go to the creating our first Scala program. Go to new, select Scala class, type some name, let's say in the kind, select object instead of class. Once we are into this, let's create a main method. Also, since we are going to use Spark, we already have added that in library. Let's import here. So guys, since I'm using Spark 2, I will be using Spark session instead of a Spark context. Let's create our Spark sessions variable. Let's give master as local as of now. You can provide anything. Give some sample name, whatever you wish to, and just get or create. If it's not there, it will create for me. Let's set the log level also to error. It's not directly available under Spark, so you have to go through Spark context. So now on the log, it won't show me all those infos, useless infos. Let's go ahead and create our first data frame here. Let's provide the path. Let's check it out. Are we having anything? Yes, we are having call.csv. Let's copy the path, give it here. Let's check it out. How does it look? So by default, show will show only top 20 rows. Here it can. Here is my output. You can check schema as well if you wish to. Let's create another data frame out of list. Let's create something like subject marks. So we need to convert it to data frame. For that we need to import implicit first. Let's give it some values. Let's run this. See, we got the output as well. So let's build the jar for this one. Just go to the terminal, go to your project. So here, let's go to that project directory. Then you need to type sbt package, and it will create your jar file. It will take a couple of seconds, not more than that. So once we'll have the jar file, what we'll do, we'll copy it to the cluster edge node, and from there we'll run the spark submit command. We'll see how to run that as well. See, it's done. It will be under target directory. So this is the file. Okay, let's go and copy this one. Since this is my Ubuntu machine, I am using SCP. If you are using Windows, you can go with WinSCP as well. So what I'm doing, I'm just copying it to my cluster edge node. It's copied already. Let's go to the cluster then. Okay, the jar has come. So let's write the spark submit command, the very basic one. We will not be providing any configuration at the runtime. Class, let's see what's the class name I have given. So the class is Anurag sample. Then we will be providing the jar location, which is under temp Anurag. Let's run it. Okay, I got some error. Let's see what exactly it is. Oh, so the error is because I given a path which is not present there. Let's remove this one and again build the jar. So let's delete this one as of now. Let's go here and check whether the pack uh, jar is built or not. Still in the process. So here is it. I'll just go here again, upload it. It's done. Let's execute this time. See, here we got the output. So that's how you will be doing it in the real time. You will be working on the IntelliJ, whatever the code, then you will build the jar, then you will copy the jar to your edge node and you will deploy it. So guys, that's all for now. I would love to hear advice from you guys. And also, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Thank you guys. Bye.